What is history? History repeats itself. Everybody talk about history as if history has feet, has hands, and can just do something. History is a science that helps us to talk about our people in a very nice way and to make ourselves more beautiful. Those who write history of colonialism, if they are colonialists, they never write about the history of robbing the other people. They always talk about how they bring the civilization, how the people who were godless became the people who believe in God. So the problem is not with the history. The problem is with the people who write the history. We, the people, without any exception, that also including me, we, the people, we all have the devil inside us, also an angel, and they always live side by side. If the devil is inside of a single man like me, he will be very afraid to come out. But when the devil is inside of a group of people, and they develop an identity of a tribe, whether it is a nation, whether it is a group of people, whether it is the bureaucrat of any country, whether they are the military, whether they are the diplomat of United Nations. So I want to draw your attention. My intention is not to point my finger to any group of people, nor to point my finger to any country, nor I point my finger to any government. I just point my finger to the darkness inside us. The darkness inside us is a very dangerous place because anytime the people form a group, and in that group the people create an identity, they forget their main aim. They know how to turn their organization into a mafia. So the mafia is not only in Italy, the mafia is all over the world. The mafia is in every group of people. So if the people hate the group of bureaucrats, no matter from which country they are, because the bureaucrats also form a mafia, and they forget that they are there to serve the people. They just decide to serve themselves. They decide they don't have a telephone number. They decide to call the people. And they talk to people when they want. And when you call them back, their phone never answers. It's the same for United Nations. So I have nothing against the noble aim of United Nations. If I talk about United Nations, I just want to draw our attention that when we, the people, form a group and we have an objective, no matter how much noble is the objective, we accept to be a tool of this noble objective, and we turn this tool upside down. So this idea is scalable to any country, to any continent, to any group of people, with whatever the institutions are. So we must continue to form group of people. We must continue to dream to have a better future, but we must not let the instinct of the humanity to turn, to kidnap, to divert the original aim. So we must develop a solution center, and this solution center, in my mind, will be in Hong Kong. Hong Kong Problem Resolution Center is now only in my mind. I dream that this solution center becomes a reality. And when this solution center becomes a reality, I will be very, very happy, because not only me, all the humanity must be happy, because for the first time in the history of humanity, we are going to educate the teacher of the future. that every problem has a solution, and it just need to find the root cause. Teaching the people how to find the root cause in a World Problem Resolution Center will not only save my own family, will also save all humanity, every country, people, every children born in our world deserve a better life. We all love our children. We all dream our children to have a better life. It is time for us to dream about the world where the children of all over the world have a better life. Thank you very much.